Yeah, I see what you're doing. You're trying to break them out. Huh? Already did it once. Where are you going? The most common side effect is diarrhea, sometimes severe. If it's severe, stop taking Linzess and call your doctor right away. These aren't all the side effects. Get ahead of it. Talk Boris.
to your doctor and say yes to Linzess. Learn how Apti and Ironwood can help you save.
When you've been injured, you need help fast. Call Devon James.
888-8888.
You're playing King Kong.
888-8888. You don't have to worry and you don't have to wait. Just call the Ace. Devon James wins.
Need inspiration? Shop Dylan's. For over 30,000 mouth-watering choices. Plus, savings like digital coupons for
Yeah.
$600 each week. And up to
You're
$1
coming over here.
gallon at the pump.
Let
Dylan's
me.
is worth it.